morning, sir.
Good morning.
Could you please tell us your name and where you're from?
My name is Mr. Sirinigbe from one local government of River State.
Okay. Could you please tell us your health challenge before you visited BS company to use the quantum healing machine that treats different health challenge and how long it has been?
My health challenge is partial stroke. That is my health challenge. Before I visited BS company.
Okay. So what is your experience all about with the quantum healing machine?
After today is my final day of using the quantum machine.
Okay.
So after using the quantum machine, I can now feel a little bit free in my waist. Before I did not have any freeness in my waist. But now I can have free. My waist is not free. I can lift my hands. I can do some certain things with my hands.
Okay. So what? Okay, sir. Like before now, were there things you were unable to do that you can do now? Can you show us?
Before, I cannot do something with my hands.
Okay.
But now I can hold something and do something strong.
Okay. Then what about your knee? Can you like squat for us?
Now I can kneel down now. If the chair should kneel down, I can kneel down. I can stand up.
Okay.
I can kneel down and stand up.
Okay. Please kneel for us. Alright. Okay, please sit. Okay. So how many days did you use this machine?
Today is my final day of using the machine.
Alright. So from your experience with the quantum healing machine, what would you advise those out there that had the same health challenge you had?
The machine is very marvelous, honestly. So my advice to the public and people to use the BS machine, they should come and use the BS machine and experience what they have not experienced before. The quantum machine may make the body to be free and give them free in their body, so they can be able to use it.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. We are BS company. We appreciate your experience with us.
Thank you very much.